In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to download and install Claude AI on your laptop or desktop computer. So let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type Claude AI, then click on the official website, claude.ai. Once you're on the site, here's a quick tip. If you're already logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon in the bottom left corner, then select Log Out. After logging out, refresh the page. Now you should see the option to download the desktop app. Go ahead and click on it, and the installation file will start downloading. You can find it in your browser's download bar or inside your Downloads folder. Once the download is complete, open the file to launch the installer. This will open the Claude setup window. Just click Get Started, then Continue, and sign in using your Google account or your email. And that's it. Once you're logged in, the Claude app will open, and you can start using it right away just like in your browser. If this video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.